In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Eightcap in Tradingview. If you're looking to make seamless trades and analyze market trends, integrating Eightcap with Tradingview is a powerful combination, allowing you to utilize sophisticated charting tools alongside a robust trading platform. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you all set up. First, you need to navigate to the Tradingview website. Once there, you'll want to locate and select Supercharts. Tradingview is renowned for its comprehensive charting solutions, making Supercharts an ideal starting point for traders looking for detailed, customizable data presentations. Whether you're tracking stocks, cryptocurrency, or commodities, Supercharts provides the flexibility to analyze various market trends effectively. Next, look towards the bottom of your screen for the trading panel. Clicking on this will open up a world of broker options. The trading panel in Tradingview is where you get the chance to link real broker accounts, which is crucial for executing trades directly from your charts. It's designed to streamline the process, so everything you need is bundled into one intuitive interface. Now, click on Show All Brokers. This step is essential as it displays all the available brokers you can connect to Tradingview. Taking time to explore this panel is valuable, especially if you're considering other broker options in the future. Tradingview's compatibility with multiple brokers is one of its strongest features, providing you with the freedom to choose the best option to suit your trading needs. Once you've opened up your list of brokers, the next step is to find Eightcap within this list. If you're unsure about Eightcap, they are a notable player in the online trading industry, providing access to a variety of global markets. Their integration with Tradingview means you can take advantage of their excellent trading conditions directly from your charts. Finally, it's time to connect. Simply click on Eightcap and follow the prompts to connect your account. When you're connecting, Tradingview may ask you to log into Eightcap. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. The integration process is straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, both Tradingview and Eightcap provide extensive support to ensure you're not left in the lurch. Connecting Eightcap to Tradingview enhances your trading strategy by allowing you to execute trades and analyze financial markets all in one place. With this setup, you can enjoy the best of both worlds: Tradingview's advanced charting capabilities and Eightcap's efficient trade execution. Happy trading, and remember, the financial market is ever changing, so stay informed and trade wisely.